BCBAs, if your session feels like a flashcard factory, stop. That's not the science. Real progress doesn't come from spitting out cards. It comes from opportunities that are meaningful, creative, clear and consistent, and comprehensive. Let me show you how. Meaningful. Focus on skills that truly matter: communication, independence, safety, social connections. Target should improve life outside the therapy room. For example, it's far more important for a child to learn what their friends like and dislike than to tag 20 different fruits. Creative. Teaching shouldn't be limited to flashcards and drills. Think outside the box. If a child is playing with cars, vary the car, shift its position, and reinforce with the car after a correct or prompted response. Learning feels like play, and that's the point. Clear and consistent. Each opportunity needs a clear SD, immediate reinforcement or correction, a reliable data collection, plus the same prompt hierarchy and reinforcement plan. For example, the technician says, touch your head. The child responds, and the technician immediately says, yes, that's your head. If the child errors, the technician models the response or uses the same prompt hierarchy to guide him. That's reliable teaching. Comprehensive. Learning isn't about one response and moving on. It's about expanding each response to build new associations. For example, the technician says, show me the face you'd make if you were surprised. The child responds, and the technician adds, great, that's different from the face I'd make if I were bored. This strengthens the skill and builds relational learning. So, next time you open a new target, ask yourself, are my technicians promoting true learning opportunities? If not, use your supervision time to model meaningful, creative, clear and consistent, and comprehensive ones. Drop a comment. What do you look for when modeling opportunities? See you in the next one.